Hi guys, my name is Shekov Balach. Today I tell you how to improve computer speed and overall performance without spending money. Here are some important things to better your computer performance without spending money. First thing first. First thing is the clean Windows registry. The Windows registry is a collection of configuration setting database for Microsoft Windows operating system. How to open? Okay, go to Windows icon, right click, then select Run. Enter your regit, then press OK button. The registry contains information that Windows constantly refers to during its operation, such as preferred for each user, application installed on the computer, and the type of documents that anyone can create. Okay, we are going to create registry. Select ASCII current user. After that, go to software. From software, select Microsoft and now scroll, select Windows, then current version. After that, select Run. Now look, here are some software booting at loading time. Now delete the keys you want. For example, I want to delete that because this one and also okay. Now also go. Now close it. Now also go, open ASCII local machine. Also go to software, then Microsoft. After that, Windows current version. Now from here select Run. There are also some. Now also delete the keys you do not want to run boot time. It's slow the system. Now here is Aware. I am leaving it because Aware is running at boot time. Now close the registry. But one thing that if you do not aware about Windows registry, then don't touch it because you may crash the Windows system. Now close the registry and reboot your computer. Second thing, delete apps and software from startup. To clean startup, take this action. Go to the window icon, right click, select Run. Now write here MS config, then press OK button. System configuration dialog window appears. Select here from your start here. No, from your open task manager. So here are some software running. Now if you don't want to run the software, please disable this. I also disabled all the software from the registry. If you can from here. For example, I am going to disable Avast. Okay. Third thing is, don't save extra file in driver C where operating system installed. Open the drive C. Don't save extra files in drive C because Windows saves system files in drive C where operating system is installed. Operation needs extra disk space for virtual memory. Virtual memory is a memory management system on a computer that temporarily stores inactive portion of the content of the RAM on disk. Now delete the files from the drive C. It's extra, and I'm going to delete. There are some extra stuff. Okay. Before uninstall unused software. The software you are not using but installed in your computer, uninstall it. Because extra software takes places on hardware and using RAM memory, it slows your computer. Okay, open control panel. Control now from here select programs and features. Now from the dialog window, install or change programs. Look for the software installed. Now here are some software I did not need it. I am going to delete it. I am showing you how to delete it. Now after install you can reboot your computer. Now there are other softwares. For example, I guess the Windows Teamweaver 7 because there is Teamweaver 10 is also installed. I didn't need it. Therefore I am going to delete this one. Remove settings, uninstall it. Okay. Close this one and close our system. Number 5. Don't create folder or save file on desktop. When you are creating folders or files on the desktop, programs and files that are located on desktop are loaded into RAM upon start. Therefore, it slows your computer performance. Delete all folders and files from desktop. Here are some extra files. I want to delete these. If you want, then you can create for these files a shortcut. It's very easy. Go to your hard drive, look for the folder you want to create shortcuts. Now then right click on that. After that, go to send to folder and from your desktop create shortcut. Okay, as you see that the video folder shortcut is created. You just click on it, you can view your folder. Okay. Number 6. Install antivirus. For example, antivirus is a kind of software used to prevent, scan, detect, and remove viruses from your computer. Antivirus software designed specifically to detect, prevent, and remove spyware. Malware antivirus software will protect your computer from spam. Now, one thing that don't install antivirus when your computer has been affected from spyware or viruses, because antivirus detect and delete the files affected by spyware. Maybe system file affected. Then antivirus deletes system file and your operating system crashes. My suggestion is that install antivirus after Windows installation or install when your system is not affected. Then antivirus prevents your PC from spyware. Number 7. Use internet and computer as a user client, not as administrator. Therefore, you need to create for a username for yourself. You open control panel. Now from here click user account and right click on the manage another account. From here add a new user in PC settings. Now select add account. From here, sign in without a Microsoft account. Click local account. Now enter a username, for example KK, and forget password. And press next button. Oh, okay. Look, we have created a password. Now we are going to our account. Oh no. Now look, I have also created account, but my account is standard account. It is not administrator. Then therefore use this account when you are working on internet. It's when you are using computer with the user without admin power, the extra exe files cannot run automatically. Your computer prevent from incoming or to run install file. Even if you want run or install new software, then system asks you about admin password. After that, when you enter admin password, then system allows software for installation. And now go to use software compatible with your computer hardware. First of all, once you want to install a software, then read your computer description, also software description, then install it. Add more RAM in your PC. After these steps, if you think that your system is still slow, then add more RAM in your PC because new software requires more memory. Therefore, you add RAM. Thanks to all. Don't leave us.